Alright, welcome back to the shop. So tonight's the night. We're going to get Torchy out here and give it its first little rip. I'm sure I've got a little bit of street tuning to do, but either way, I'm excited to get it on the ground. And this will be a short video, but it's got to happen, so we'll get into it. Got all the boys here ready to go. We got Ryan and Chris. We're ready to see some smoke. They're fighting over who doesn't get to come with me and hold the laptop.
Let's say tire smoke specifically, right?
Yeah.
I'm working on the thing that will shield you from loads of fire coming through.
Oh yeah, where's my...
I'm working on it. Don't worry, I got my measuring tape.
Wow,
some metal over
much
there.
progress.
We're talking about it. I'm going to talk it through a few more times.
A couple more hours. It's only 8:30. We got time. Oh, gotta pull the spacers off.
What size are these?
17s. Yeah, your Miata's the only car we have that has 19s on it. Ready? Yeah, go ahead. Try again. Don't kill it!
Oh man, he's rubbing that tire really bad on the left side. You smell it?
Smoking on that left side tire.
Yeah, it's rubbing on the fender well.
Yeah.
See the sparks?
Yeah, the thing is loud.
It's not that loud. Alright, it ran. We got a log. It actually wasn't bad at all. It was like 13.8, 14-1 at low load, and then it dropped all the way to like 11. So like maybe our scaling is off a little bit still on the injectors, but it's not that bad. Fan doesn't work, so we got to fix that. We're already up to 220.
Yeah, fans.
So,
yeah.
So yeah, we'll check that out. But and the tires rub like crazy. So
Well, just that one. This
Oh,
one really
really?
didn't seem to. I don't think. I'll check, but I don't think so.
Whew, better put a fan on it. It's just toasty.
Yep.
All right. So first drive done. It's actually been 2 more days now, and we've gotten a lot of other things cleaned back up. We've got more parts on the car. I have a real working shifter now. and kind of a handbrake. We gotta bleed it more, but we're getting there. So PDM's mounted up there, it's not hooked up. I can now start the car with this wire in the car. We may go out and do some tuning, but yeah, pretty excited about how the first drive went. Hopefully this one goes even better. That's fun. Alright, I'm happy now. Feels great. Feels really great. Need a windshield though.
Yeah.
For sure. Base tune looks fine. I mean, as far as it running on math, at least all the scaling looks good. So tomorrow I just got to pull the mass airflow sensor or disconnect it and then tune all the VE tables and plug it back in. We should be good to go. So we can run through some timing swings on the dyno tomorrow, but it seems happy. The fan comes on, it stays cool. I think I've got it starting figured out now.
Yeah, show them how you start it.
Yeah, so we got the PDM in, so I will work on wiring that over the next couple days. Got the keypad mounted up, pretty excited. Cool keypad thing, we've got our handbrake, we got our shifter now. Currently this is how I started, just easy. It works. Good. Seals are bad on that rack, so we'll have to get another one. Just gotta check temperature, but all good. Oh, All right, guys, really excited, and I don't want to spoil it, so we'll keep this one nice and short. And as always, if you have a second, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.